How to Verify Your Age on Google Account Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your age on your Google account easily and safely. Sometimes Google asks for age verification if your date of birth shows you're under 18 or if you're trying to access features restricted to adults. Here's how to fix it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Now, tap on Personal Info from the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see Birthday. Make sure your date of birth is entered correctly. If it's wrong, tap Edit, update your birthday, and save the changes. If Google still asks you to verify your age, you'll see an on-screen message or email with instructions. You'll have two options. Option 1, use a credit or debit card. Google will make a small refundable charge to confirm your age. Option 2, upload an ID. You can submit a photo of a government-issued ID, such as your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the instructions carefully, and Google will review your submission within a few minutes to a few days. Once your age is verified, you'll regain full access to your account and all its features. And that's it. You've successfully verified your age on your Google account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more clear step-by-step tutorials.